Hey guys, what's happening? How to increase Snapchat score fast. To quickly increase your Snapchat score, frequently send snaps to many individual friends. So go ahead and open up your Snapchat and take a snap and hit send to. And if you have a group, you can just go ahead and select your group and hit post to these individuals, right? But I advise you to send to as many people as possible. So pick as many people as possible and send it to them. You can also send long videos and post to your story. Those group snaps and chats do not contribute to your score. Adding new friends and engaging in consistent data activity are key to long-term score growth. So we're gonna add as many people as possible. So I'm gonna click that add friend icon at the top next to the search, and I'm gonna add as many people as possible, right? So you can engage in long-term score growth. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.